I never believed in holiday agents or travel agents because in the past I have seen that they overcharge. They make packages so that you can pay more to cough up more money, right? Uh, but but and I thought we should do the research online. We should go through the videos. We should find out the places that we want to go and then try to find out the prices. But it's impossible. Frankly, it's impossible. The best way is to get in touch with a travel agent, get the quote. You may get in touch with few travel agents, get the quote, the best quote that suits you. You can go with them. You have a free will there, right? So, but it's always good to go with a travel agent because you're going to spend up a lot of money traveling from your country to Nairobi, right? And after that, if you think that we'll plan something and we'll see, it can be very impromptu, that's not going to happen. So it's better you fix up a travel agent, talk to them, make everything booked in advance, because that will make your life a lot easier.
I work with a travel agency called Holiday Dealers. Of course, a lot has changed over the years. Like the new generation of people want to get all information online. Okay, so earlier on we had the direct contacts of travel agents. Sometimes when you have travel agents, they can make your work very easy because you leave it all to them. But moving on from that, an ideal safari that will rejuvenate, maybe you only have a week of safari in terms of six days and probably 5 nights. You can always infuse bush and beach, but it will depend on what you like. If at all you're a person who loves the sun and sand, then you will toss to just make sure you have provision for the safari and a few nights for the beach. But now, Kenya has a big tray of products to offer in terms of safari and travel. So we have the bush. The bush is classified in categories of national parks managed by government, and then we have the conservancies. These are private conservancies managed by private entities and individuals. So Masai Mara in its nature is actually a government park, but owned or managed by the County Council of Narok.
Okay. So one thing, to be very honest, I'd like to say that the food for the vegetarians specifically, there are not many options. So we tried in Nairobi also. We'll also go. We are going again back to Nairobi today, and we'll try again. Sam has some options for us, some good restaurants. So we'll go to that. But what we found out is the vegetarian options are lacking, and you don't get the best food. Or maybe maybe most of the people are non-vegetarian, the tourists and the locals also. So it's difficult for them also to prepare something vegetarian that suits your taste, right? So you have to compromise somewhere on the food, or plan in advance, talk to a hotel, and tell them that you need this menu. They'll cook it for you.
Basically, and that's why you need to talk to a travel agent local. They know which hotel has the offering of what you're looking for. Because there are a lot of options for vegetarians. There are nice hotels that have those vegetarian options. Today I'm taking him to one in Nairobi, and that will blow his mind off. If it was on a safari, if we were friends before this, I would have told him, book this hotel. There is plenty. So yes, there is a wide, because we have Indian-owned hotels in Masai Mara, and they know the vegetarian options. We have a lot of options. It will depend on the hotel you are in and what they are providing. And the chef, is he an Indian specialist? Does he have that specialization? So that is in the information you pressure your agent to make sure that he provides.
That's all part of the planning.
Yes.
Yeah.